Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Lulu. In this video, we'll install 11mm wheel spacers on Maserati. Let's go. Half-century wheel spacers offer a better system of support and stability. They're designed to make a snug connection between the wheel and the vehicle hub, reducing the high-speed vibration and ensuring safer driving. Compared with others, the multi-stage half-century design makes the installation more fitting and safer. Since 2007, BONOSS has been committed to producing high-quality automotive wheel accessories. We pay attention to the safety and quality of wheel spacers. BONOSS has over 10 years of professional design and manufacturing experience. We have sufficient inventory to ensure faster delivery and customize wheel spacers only in 3 days. OEM and ODM is available. After-sales warranty for 10 years will be more rest assured. BONOSS wheel spacers provide higher performance, more additional functions, faster customized service, which is your best choice. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.